Welcome back, fellow investors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Bitcoin, the digital currency that has captured the attention of millions. In just 2 minutes, I'll equip you with the knowledge you need to seize the golden opportunity that Bitcoin presents. So let's get started. Bitcoin, the decentralized cryptocurrency, has been making waves in the financial world. Its value has soared over the years, with many investors reaping substantial rewards. But what makes Bitcoin such an attractive investment? Firstly, Bitcoin offers a decentralized and secure way to conduct transactions. Traditional banking systems are prone to inefficiencies and intermediaries, which can slow down transactions and increase costs. With Bitcoin, you have control over your funds and can send and receive money globally with minimal fees and lightning-fast speed. Additionally, Bitcoin is gaining acceptance as a form of payment in various online platforms and merchants worldwide. More and more businesses are recognizing the advantages of accepting Bitcoin, creating a growing ecosystem for this digital currency. By investing in Bitcoin, you position yourself at the forefront of a financial revolution. Now, it's important to acknowledge that Bitcoin's price can be volatile. This volatility provides both opportunities and risks. However, by understanding market trends and employing strategic investment techniques, you can navigate these fluctuations and potentially capitalize on them. Another key aspect of Bitcoin is its security. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which ensures transparency and prevents fraud. The process of mining, where powerful computers solve complex mathematical problems, further strengthens the security of the network. This robustness gives investors confidence in the longevity of Bitcoin. And now, for the bonus point. By investing in Bitcoin, you're not only potentially growing your wealth but also joining a vibrant and passionate community. You'll have the opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals, share knowledge, and stay updated on the latest developments in the crypto world. So, remember, Bitcoin isn't just a digital currency, it's your golden opportunity. Take the leap, educate yourself, and consider Bitcoin as part of your investment portfolio. Stay tuned for more valuable insights in future videos.